Here we go. There she is.
They're getting big.
Yeah. They'll often become bigger than the parents, but they're still defenseless.
Yeah.
Wow. They're so protective. Wow. Both of them. It's okay, we're not going to hurt you.
Last year there was what, 5 of them?
I think it was more like 7
7, okay.
on this other nest.
Yeah.
Here comes another one. Circling
Here we go,
around.
yeah.
Wow. Feeding them away. Regurgitating and then feeding some more. So beautiful.
I like how the one's peeking his head out.
Mm-hmm. From behind. Oh. That's funny. Looks like they're cleaning them.
Yeah.
Picking their feathers or something. Or maybe cleaning the nest of poop. Oh, so funny.
You see the one
Opened his mouth. Yeah.
Minutes later,
Yeah.
and they're looking at it.
Yeah. Yummy. Dessert. Probably going to fly away in the next week or so.
Yeah.
They look so big.
Mm-hmm.
They're really outgrowing that nest.